In this video, I'm going to show you how to install these rear mud flaps on this Chevy Silverado. Let's get into it. Take the mud flap, you want to line it up. Now you do have some adjustment choices. If you want them a little bit lower, you can make them lower or higher, depending on the look of the vehicle that you're looking for. You want to go close on this side. You don't want this sticking out too far. So have that where you want it. You can take a look at it from the back. Right about there. Then take a 1/4 inch drill bit. I'm going to drill a hole right here. Once you get it marked, you can pull the mud flap away and drill the hole the rest of the way. And where there's bare metal, you just want to take a little bit of touch-up paint and just coat the bare metal. It doesn't even have to be the same color as the car because this is all going to get covered up, but you want to protect that bare metal. That's good right there. And then you're going to do the same on the other holes. Now we're going to take one of these J-nuts and just slide it over where the hole is, just like that. Line this up, take the screw. Get that started. We'll just use a Phillips head screwdriver. Just get this snug so that you can move this around so it stays. And then from the back of the vehicle, you want to check where it's level. Make sure it's in a spot where you like it. And then we'll move on to the next hole. Make sure it's still lined up. And we can take this off, or you can even twist it to the side so that you can access the hole. Drill this hole. So that's going to line up like that. You can double check your level, make sure that it looks good. Tighten that down. That's good. For the last hole that we're going to have to drill, we're going to remove the rear wheel. It's always good to start with the wheel on so that you can get the alignment correct, but we can't really fit a drill in here. If you had a right angle drill, you could do that, but now we're just going to take the wheel off. Using a straight blade screwdriver, I'm just going to use a rag so I don't scratch the wheel, and just pull the center cap off, just like that. Using a 22mm socket, take the lug nuts off. Remove the wheel. And you want to feel around for the back side so that you can feel where the bed is and where you're going to attach the last hook, the J-nut, right about there. We're going to use the thicker drill bit. We're going to use the 1/4 inch drill bit. Drill the hole right there. Get it started, and we can take these out. Move that screw, just set it to the side. Now we'll use a little touch-up paint right on the bare metal. You can use some right there as well. And we already did the top hole. I'll put the other J-nut on, line it up. Put the screws in. And snug them down. And then you can do the same on the other side. Put the wheel back on. Now we're going to torque the lug nuts to 140 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Just go around again, double check. Take the center cap. There is a picture on the back side of the center cap where the valve stem is. Line that up. And push it on.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.